I'm having the greatest days of my life using the ultimate checklist, and I do not want you to miss out on this. Not only because it's freaking awesome and it's the reason why I'm here right now, but it'll set your life up. So I realized all of this when I was on a call with someone, but it wasn't just an average call you have with anybody. I paid a lot of money for it. It wasn't $99, it wasn't $500. I paid $1,000 to go on a call with this guy for an hour and talk with him. I learned a lot from it, but the one main thing that I realized is if you don't have a plan and don't have that vision in the future, it'll be impossible to crush your goals or get anything because you don't even have goals. It also made me realize how much can really change in a year, 6 months. So what you need to do to have an ultimate checklist to set up your life for success is to plan things out. Have a direction that you want to go so you actually know where you want to go. If I was just in a taxi and I didn't say where I wanted to go, I'm not going anywhere, right? So plan things out. Because I actually said I wanted to be here, I wanted to do this, I got those things because I told the taxi driver, aka myself, my brain, my life, to go in that direction. So it worked out. So how you do this is have yearly goals. So my goals for 2024, just for example, are to hit 170 pounds, 50,000 subs, $10,000 a month, 5,000 a month consistently. I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably going too easy on myself. I could probably get a lot more than that, especially from what I learned in that $1,000 call. But I'm gonna be honest, it's still a little hard for me to comprehend how much can change in a year. Then for the yearly long-term goals, have weekly goals that also help you to get to those big goals that you have. So what I have is doing a muscle up, doing a handstand, making this video right now as I'm on vacation. Also going to the beach like I already did, biking around like I already did, doing a lot of things on my to-do lists. And by the way, for your to-do lists, I want you to forget about daily to-do lists and think of weekly to-do lists. Because a lot of times when I think of things I could do every single day, I end up writing a bunch of stuff that I end up not doing or is super easy, like going to the bathroom. So having weekly to-do lists let you be more ambitious, but also get a lot more done. By the way, if you're not sure who I am, I'm Timothy. I really like to share things that I've been learning and doing in my life and giving it to you, so hopefully you can think about one of these things that I say, apply it in your life, and get a lot better from that. If you like the environment I'm in, like the vibe of this video, consider subscribing. So a major part of your ultimate checklist is to have long-term and short-term goals, but also a key factor in all of it is to have experiences, challenges that you'll do throughout the year, throughout the months, throughout the weeks, throughout the days, that'll grow yourself a lot more, get yourself doing a lot of cool things. Like for me, example, biking at 5 a.m. I woke up at 4:30 today to go to the beach in the morning, come here, explore this place, trying a lot of new things in your life basically. All of the experiences you do will help you for other things because think about it, nobody else is really doing this. Nobody else is waking up at 5 a.m. going on a bike ride or trying to do 1,000 push-ups in one day. Nobody is doing any of those things. So think of some things which you either think, oh, no way I can do that, or that would be so crazy if I did that, and then actually do that. You should come up with a lot of these quantity over quality for this. And so I know that you are actually thinking about this and you're gonna take action to have this ultimate checklist which will set you up for life. Comment below 7 things that you want to do over this year, this week, this day, which will set you up for the life that you want to live. Also, if on your checklist is growing a YouTube channel, I can help you grow to 10K subs and higher, just like I did. So if that sounds interesting, click that Calendly link in the description, book a quick call with me, and I'll personally help you get from your first video, wherever you are, to 10,000 subs and above. Another thing that people look over, which is why they don't have this ultimate checklist themselves, is that they don't write down things that happen. They don't write down the stories, the thoughts that they have. They can't remember a lot of things that they do. Not only is it just good to have, but it'll motivate you to do more things in your life so you can get those cool stories and actually be interesting when you talk to someone. If you really want this ultimate life, then you will do this ultimate checklist. So don't forget about this video. Like it, bookmark it, do whatever you have to do so you remember this, you can think about it, apply more things that I talked about, and then end up going on $1,000 calls which let you talk to some amazing people. So do one thing from your ultimate checklist today, and that one thing is going to add up. Then you'll be living the ultimate life that you really want to live and deserve to live, because I know that you're a lot better than other people. So I really appreciate you watching this. Do the algorithm stuff to spread this around. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested, I have this community called YouTube Blast and the Like-Minded Club. Check out those in the description as well. I appreciate you so much for watching. I'm gonna enjoy this little vacation I'm on. Yeah, I'm gonna have a blast. Let's go. Goodbye. I'll see you later.